Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical outdoor fountains, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from outdoor fountains, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best outdoor fountains from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Teamson Home Cascading Bowls and Stacked Stones LED Outdoor Water Fountain. Igniting. Crafted from durable rust-distancing poly resin, this weather-resilient fountain is designed to withstand the elements and add a rustic touch to your outdoor decor. With dimensions of 15.5 inch wide, inch 15.25 inch wide, inch 33.25 inch height, it's the ideal size for gardens, decks, and patios, enhancing your curb appeal and creating a focal point in your landscaping. Easy to set up and enjoy, this fountain will provide endless beauty and serenity to your outdoor living space. Number 2. Nature Falls 4 Crocks Outdoor Garden Fountains with LED Light for Garden. Enhance your outdoor or indoor space with the Nature Falls 4 Crocks Outdoor Garden Fountain with LED lights. Measuring 14 inches long into 14 inch wide into 40 inch height, this stunning modern cascading water fountain features 4 crock bowls that add a serene touch to any garden, patio, or even your office. Made from durable fiberglass and resin, it's weatherproof, lightweight, and built to last through any conditions. The built-in LED lights in the lower basins and middle hollow area illuminate the fountain, creating a mesmerizing glow both day and night. The adjustable water pump allows you to control the flow speed, offering soothing water sounds that bring peace and relaxation. Perfect for creating a zen atmosphere, this versatile fountain can be a beautiful addition to your home or office decor. Number 3. Sunjet 4 Tier Modern Cascading Indoor or Outdoor Fountains. Transform your space into a tranquil oasis with the Sunjet 4-tier modern cascading indoor or outdoor fountain. Standing at 50.7 inches tall, this elegant fountain is perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings, adding serenity to gardens, patios, or living rooms. Made from durable resin with a natural stone appearance, it is weatherproof, rust-resistant, and built to last. The fountain features an interior pump for continuous water flow and built-in LED lights that illuminate the cascading water, creating a peaceful ambiance during the day and night. With dimensions of 16.9 inch long into 9.8 inch wide, it's the ideal size for any space. Relax to the soothing sound of flowing water, bringing nature's tranquility right to your doorstep. Plus, with its UL certification, the fountain is safe and easy to use, perfect for enhancing your outdoor decor or as a calming addition to your indoor space. Number 4. Alpine Corporation Outdoor Floor 3-tiered Rock Waterfall Fountain. Enhance your outdoor space with the Alpine Corporation Outdoor Floor 3-tiered Rock Waterfall Fountain. Standing at 22 inches tall, this stunning garden fountain is designed to bring the soothing sound of cascading water to your backyard, patio, or garden. Made from durable polystone and fiberglass, it features a realistic gray stone appearance with moss, mimicking the beauty of natural rock. The interior pump keeps the water flowing effortlessly until the end of the fountain session. For permanent moderation, the fountain is a magical white LED lights illuminate the fountain, adding a magical glow to your outdoor setting during the evening. With a rust and weather-resistant construction, this fountain is built to last. It's the perfect focal point for any outdoor decor, measuring 15 inches long into 13 inch wide into 22 inch height. Plus, it includes a 2-year manufacturer's warranty, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment. Create a peaceful retreat with this beautiful and durable outdoor waterfall fountain. Number 5. XBrand Zen Buddha Face Water Fountain LED Light and Pump Indoor or Outdoor Freestanding. Transform your space with the XBrand Zen Buddha Face Water Fountain, featuring LED lights and a built-in pump. This freestanding indoor or outdoor fountain is designed to create a peaceful ambiance, combining the tranquil sound of cascading water with the serene sight of a Buddha face and lotus flowers. Perfect for adding a touch of zen to your garden, patio, or home, it measures 16.14-inch long into 12.2-inch wide, 29.92-inch height, and is crafted from durable poly resin for long-lasting beauty. The warm LED lights illuminate the fountain, enhancing its calming presence day and night. The fountain includes an auto shut-off pump that activates when the water level is low, preventing damage. It holds 4 gallons of water and features a smooth, relaxing waterfall. With a 1-year warranty and easy customer support, this Zen fountain is the ideal addition to any space seeking peace and tranquility. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.